How to survive a Bitcoin bear market. It's actually pretty simple. Just don't sell your Bitcoin when the price is down. It's literally that simple. And if you can, buy more Bitcoin while it's on sale. Now, the way you're feeling right now, or the way you're probably feeling right now, or the way you have been feeling at various points over the last month, another way to help survive a Bitcoin bear market is to know that many before you have felt exactly like you do. When Bitcoin dropped from $32 to $2 in 2012, they felt like you do. Because after it went to $2, it bounced around in the low zone, just like it is right now in the low zone. The difference is that low zone was single-digit dollars. Your low zone is in the 60,000s. But, you know, psychology, the feeling, it's all the same. When Bitcoin dropped from $1,200 down to $92 in 2014, guess what? It bounced around down there in the, $100-ish range for a long time, months before it finally went back up. Guess what? They felt exactly like you do. When Bitcoin dropped from $19,000 down to $3,200, guess what? They feel exactly like you did. Same deal. Same news stories, same headlines, same obituaries written for Bitcoin in the New York Times. It just never ends. It's all the same. It's always the same. And when Bitcoin dropped from $69,000 to down to $15,500, guess what? Same thing. Everybody felt the same. They experienced the same thing. Everybody wished ultimately that they had bought more Bitcoin, and the only people who lost were the people who actually sold. So just don't sell. It's literally that simple. And here we are. Bitcoin dropped from 126,000 down to 60, and now we're at 68. Well, isn't it interesting that basically 68, 69,000 today, which is the at or near the bottom of this bear market, was at or near the top of the last bull market. Interesting how that works. So right now, at prices historically a few years ago that would have generated, mass euphoria, are now generating mass hysteria. Well, how do we go from euphoria to hysteria? Well, because back then when Bitcoin was 68,000, they were comparing it to, 10,000, and it was up by 700%. Well, right now they're comparing 68,000 to 126. So it's down by 45% or whatever that is. But anyway, the way you survive a Bitcoin bear market is you don't sell your Bitcoin. It's literally that simple. You survive by time. Time fixes it for you. You don't actually have to do anything. Bitcoin recovers all by itself by the actions of others, even if you don't do anything. So just ride it out. You're fine. If you can buy more Bitcoin, I would. It's on sale. Any Bitcoin you buy right now brings down the average price you paid for Bitcoin.